Hello student. Today we'll discuss about the urinary system. So what is urinary system? Urinary system is the main excretory system of the body that perform vital functions like filtering of blood and removing of excessive unnecessary material of the body, and this helps to maintain chemical homeostasis of the body. Now they consist of following functions or structures like, first of all, two kidneys which secrete urine, then ureter. Yeah, also there are two that convey the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder, and the urinary bladder which collect and store urine, and finally the urethra through which urine leaves the body. So the urinary system play a vital part in maintaining homeostasis of water and electrolytes within the body. The kidney produce urine that contain metabolic waste products, including the nitrogenous compounds like urea and uric acid, excess ions, and some drugs also. And there are many functions of the kidneys are, first important function is the formation of urine. Yes, it is a very important function. It form the urine and maintain the water level, electrolyte, and the acid base balance. The next function is the excretion of waste products and the production and secretion of erythropoietin. What is the erythropoietin? Erythropoietin is the hormone that stimulates the formation of RBC, red blood cells. And the next is the production and secretion of renin. And what is renin? Renin is an important enzyme in the control of blood pressure. And the urine is stored in the bladder and excreted by the process called micturations. Now next, in detail, what is a kidney? First of all, kidneys, where is located? The kidneys are located or lie on the posterior abdominal wall on each side of the vertebral column, behind the peritoneum and below the diaphragm. They extends from the level of 12th thoracic vertebra and the 3rd lumbar vertebra. And the right kidneys is usually slightly lower than the left, probably because of the space occupied by the liver. And the kidneys are bean-shaped organ and about 11 centimeter long, 6 meter wide, and 3 centimeter wide, and its weight is 150 to 170. They are embedded and held positions by a mass of fat and a sheath of fibrous connective tissue. The renal fascia encloses the kidney and the renal fat. Now what is the gross structure of kidney? Okay, gross structure. First of all, there are three areas tissues that will disengage when the longitudinal section of the kidneys when is viewed with the naked eyes. First is the outer fibrous capsule. Outer fibrous capsule is the surrounded the kidney. The second is the cortex. Cortex is a reddish brown layer tissue immediately below the capsule in the outside the renal pyramids. And the third one is the medulla. And medulla is the innermost layer consisting of pale conical striations and the renal pyramids. And the hilum is the innermost layer. What is the hilum? Hilum is the exact main entry of the passage. It consists the ureter and the nerves enter. The urine formed within the kidney passes through the renal papilla and the apex of pyramid into the minor calyx. Now how they work, how the urine is formed, or how the urine leave from kidney to urethra. Simple, it is several minor calyx merge into the major calyx, and 2 or 3 major calyx combine forming a renal pelvis, a funnel shaped structure, and that narrow when it leaves the kidney as the ureter. And the wall of calyx and the renal pelvis are lined with the transitional epithelium and contain smooth muscle. Yeah, there is a peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movements, what they affect? They affect the intrinsic contraction of the smooth muscles and the propel urine through the calyx, renal pelvis, and finally ureter to the bladder.